We should install Python first. For that we have to go python.org and click on Downloads section here. You can click on this download button to download the latest version. Also check here if you want to install for different OS. And scroll down to see the different version of Python, in case you want the lower versions. For now, we will install the latest version. So, click on it. You can see that it is being downloaded. Double-click on it to start installing. A new window will open where you can see Install Now option. But it is important that you see this checkbox where the python.exe will be added to the path. And click on Install Now button to start installing. It will take a minute. And you can close the window and start install your IDE of choice. Let us open browser and search for PyCharm. PyCharm is from JetBrains. So, click on this link. This is the professional version, which is paid one. So, let us scroll down and in the bottom to see Choose Edition. There is a table with comparison of Professional and Community Edition. And you can press Download on the Community Edition, which is free and built on open source. So, after the download is done, you can click or go to Downloads folder and double-click to start installation. Press Next. Next again if the destination folder is OK. Then you can select for desktop shortcut and select the checkbox to update bin path, which is important. And click Next. Install, which will take a minute or two. It asks for reboot. I suggest to reboot it. After the reboot, open PyCharm from desktop. It will ask from import settings as you are new. You can leave Do Not Import and press OK. It will open PyCharm IDE, where you can click on New Project. You can give the name My First Project and click Create. Forget about the other options as of now. Here is the project structure. Right-click on the top folder. New Python file. Give the name as main. It can be anything. And write print and hello world in double quotes. Don't worry about the syntax. And click on Run button to execute. In case if you forget to add path in system variables, you should navigate to C drive and follow this path. C drive. User. Select the folder. App data. Local. Programs. Python. Copy the path. Now, go to Start and search for Edit System Variables. Navigate to Environment Variables. And, in the System Variables, select the path. Click Edit. Press New and add the path which you copied. Similarly, go back to the folder. Navigate to Scripts folder and copy the path. Again, go to Environment Variables. Add this path into the path of System Variables. Click OK and close all windows.